Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you an amazing technique to create the perfect night city photo in Photoshop. Remember that breathtaking cityscape from my last video? Well, now we are taking it to the next level by combining two photos to capture all the stunning details and vibrant lights of the night city. Stick around, because by the end of this tutorial you will be able to turn your good photos into absolute masterpieces. Let's dive in. First, open Photoshop and drag in the first photo you'd like to combine. My photo is in RAW format, so Photoshop automatically opens the camera roll panel. I've already made a video about this panel, so I won't go into details now. I will edit my photo and open it. Next, drag in your second photo. Now we need to select the buildings. The easiest way to do this is by using the object selection tool. Choose it and select the entire photo. Then refine your selection to just the buildings by holding down the left mouse button and shift. Alright, now you've got the buildings selected, but it might not be perfect. You can fine-tune the selection using the quick selection tool. To remove parts of the selection, hold down Alt and brush over the areas you want to deselect. Once your selection is right, create a mask, just like I am doing. Make sure the layer with the mask is on top. And there you have it, the perfect night city photo, combining the best elements of both images. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more photography and Photoshop tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy shooting!